Last year, we shook things up a bit at Roundup.
We had to COVID.
But it wasn't so bad, was it?
No, it was actually pretty fun. And I think the agents even liked it.
So good we should do it again?
The people have spoken, and we definitely should.
We will be returning to downtown Bryan on the evening assembly for Tuesday, June 7th.
So get excited for shopping and eating dinner at the local restaurants. But go before the assembly because they'll be closed after.
And after the assembly, get ready for a dance in the street.
Be sure to bring your lawn chairs as the setup might look a little different.
Okay, Bryan was fun, but did you guys get to walk that stage last year?
Yeah, and it was so cool being in front of my family and friends on that lawn.
And the food trucks and vendors, so good.
And the concert and dance after, that was probably the best part.
Join us Wednesday, June 8th, for the assembly at the Wolf Pin Creek Amphitheater.
And don't forget your lawn chairs or blankets to sit on.
Make sure to come early to eat supper at the food trucks.
And don't worry, they will be closer this year.
Everything for the Wednesday assembly will be right here in its own lawn space, right in front of the stage.
And for those of you who wish we would go back to the way things used to be,
surprise! We're back at Reed Arena for the Thursday assembly on June 9th.
The lights, the stage, the dance on Reed Arena floor, yep, it's all coming back.
Wait, guys, isn't that the night we retire our jackets too?
Let's think on the positive side. We're going to be recognizing contest and scholarship winners, and we'll even get to finish off the week at our old friend Reed Arena.
So get those lawn chairs packed.
Prepare to come early and enjoy shopping and dinner at some of the local vendors right by our assemblies on Tuesday and Wednesday night.
Get excited to round out the week at Reed Arena.
Texas 4-H, let's take over Bryan College Station June 6th through 9th as we amplify our impact.